got a surprise for you. Oh, what's in these? What's in these? Can I talk? Eggs!
Okay.
Lego My Luffy!
Happy Meal, please.
There you go. Wow. What is in there? What you got in there?
Pokemon!
Whoa, what's that?
An owl.
An owl? Let me see. Show me. I can't see. Hold on.
Like this.
There you go. Whoa. Turn it around. Let me see. Wow. Wait a minute. Guess what? You got 2 Happy Meals.
Yeah.
You want another one?
Yeah.
Say Happy Meal, please.
Happy Meal, please.
Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Let's get penguin.
You got a penguin.
Yeah.
Let me see both of them. You have 2 toys?
Yeah.
From where? McDonald's.
Yeah.
Okay, hold them both up. Let me see. Nice. Look at me. You like them?
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to open them?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to open them. Whoa. What's that? Let me see. You want to open up the other one too? Okay.
Open it.
Hold it. Let me see. Wow.
Yeah.
What does it do?
Flying. Candy.
Oh, and it comes with a card? Oh, is that a Pokemon card?
Oh. Yeah. Pokemon. Pokemon?
Yeah, Pokemon. Turn it around. Let me see. Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Whoa, you got Litten,
Yeah, that's it.
Bite,
Like
10,
10.
Flare,
There.
20. These are fire Pokemon.
Yeah.
Cool.
Good penguin too.
Oh, cool. Oh, you open them both?
Yeah.
Let me see. Can I? Let me see it.
Wow.
That's a cup?
Yeah.
Take the other thing out the bag. Yeah, take it out. What's that? Let me see.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, fire.
Cool. Oh, wow. That's nice.
Ah!
Cool. You like it?
Yeah.
Wind it up.
Pokemon!
You like it?
Yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's take up.
Oh no. Oh, they have Hello Kitty. Say hello.
Hello, Kitty.
Pokemon!
They also have
McDonald.
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Say Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Sun.
Sun.
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Moon.
Lego My Luffy!
I got a surprise for you. Oh, what's in these? What's in these? Can I talk? Shake it. Let me hear it. Oh, I don't know what's in there. Do you know? What's in there? Open it. What is it?
Pokemon.
Got another one?
Yeah.
What color is this one?
Orange.
Orange.
Okay, open it. Let me see. Wow.
I see.
Oh, another Pokemon. Who knows what Pokemon that is? What's in it? Shake it. Nothing? I don't hear anything. Open it. Oh, let me see. Take it out. Is candy? What kind of candy? Turn it around. Ooh. Starburst?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Oh, you got a sweets.
Yeah.
Okay, what else you get? What's in there? Open it. Whoa.
Pokemon.
What color?
Orange.
Orange.
What is in there?
Orange.
What? Another one? Sour. Let me see.
Sour.
Let me see the candy. You got a sour candy?
Yeah.
Ooh, sour candy. What is that?
Dragon.
Pokemon. Dragon.
Pokemon.
That's a rhino.
Rhino.
Yeah, some type of Pokemon. Open it. Yellow. I want a yellow. Where's yellow? Is that yellow? Let me see. Let me see
Yellow.
yellow. All right, open it.
Open it.
Whoa, squid.
Squid.
What kind of Pokemon?
Pokemon.
We got another Pokemon. What else is in there? I want a blue. Blue. Say blue. Like
Blue.
blue.
Blue, Daddy.
Okay. All right, open it. What? Oh, mouse Pokemon. I think I'm too close. Okay.
Pokemon.
Open it.
Green.
Let's see.
Dragon.
Let me see the dragon. Can I see?
Yeah.
Whoa, which one is that?
Gecko.
A dragon?
Pokemon.
Yeah. Dragon.
Okay. What color?
Pink.
Say it.
Pink.
All right. Go there. Open it. Whoa. What's that?
Green.
Cool. Show me. What is it?
Pokemon.
Let me see.
Goat.
A goat.
Green.
Green.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. I want to see. Can I see? What is that?
Dragon.
Oh, another That's a strong Pokemon. Fight! Ah, blue wins. Go. Open.
Then on that door.
What is that? Let me see.
Pony.
Not pony. It's a dog Pokemon. Which one is that?
Dog.
They're gonna fight. Pokemon fight. Oh.
Pokemon.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.